Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as y'all can see, we are back at Family Dollar, y'all. I saw a couple deals on Instagram that I was like, I need to do before work this morning. So we are doing some real quick before work couponing. So this first deal is a Tide deal. We're going to grab some Tide products and some other items. And I wanted to get this because I feel like I'm always grabbing Gain. I was like, let's get some Tide today. I saw it on Instagram and I'm going to put her name up on the screen. She posted a lot of good Family Dollar scenarios. So this is the first one that we're going to do. And then we are going to head over to Dollar General and we're going to do a $5 challenge there and do another Febreze holiday deal and grab some other items. So stay tuned for that because I saw another deal on Instagram that I want to get into. So let's get started. So the first item we are going to grab is some Tide liquid laundry detergent. These are $5.50 regular price, but we have a $2 off one digital coupon. So we're going to grab one of these first. And then the next item that we want to grab after that is some Tide Pods. So these are $4.95. And then we want to use our $2 off one digital coupon. I think I'm going to get one of the 16 count bags instead. So let me go over here and grab me a 16 count bag, and we are going to use that $2 off one digital coupon. Now we're going to grab some Fabuloso. So these are $3. We are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon, making these only $1. We are also going to grab two of the Clorox bleach. So these are $2.25 each, and we are going to use our $1 off two digital coupon. We also want to grab another Gillette razor. So these are $5 each, and we are going to use our $4 off one digital coupon. The final item on our list is the Crest toothpaste. We're going to grab the $3 extra whitening. So these are $3. We're going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. So let's do a quick review before we check out. We got our Fabuloso, it's $3. Going to use the $2 off one digital. We have our two Clorox bleach for $2.25. Going to use the $1 off two digital. We have our Tide liquid laundry detergent for $5.50. Going to use the $2 off one digital. We have our Tide Pods for $4.95. Going to use the $2 off one digital. We have our Gillette razors for $5. Going to use the $4 off one digital. And then we have our Crest toothpaste for $3, going to use the $2 off one digital. Our total before our coupons are applied should be $25.95. So that is enough to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. So let's make sure that we have that loaded as well. And let's go check out. All right, you guys, so that was a beautiful transaction at Family Dollar. Let me show you my receipt. So there's our Tide Pods, our Tide Liquid, our Clorox Bleach, our Fabuloso, our Gillette, our Crest. Subtotal came up to $7.95, y'all, $7.95. We had a total savings of $18 for those 7 items, y'all, $7.95. I think that is beautiful. Now let's head over to Dollar General. All right, you guys, so now we are in Dollar General and we are going to do another Febreze holiday deal similar to what we did before. So the Febreze are still on sale, the holiday only, so holiday scents only, are still on sale with an instant savings of $2 when you spend $12. So we are going to get $12 worth. I think I'm going to get 4 of the sprays because my store is really limited on what they have. So I'm going to get 4 of the sprays. That will be $12. We're going to get $2 off instantly for this instant savings. And then we are also going to use our $2 off 12 Febreze digital coupon. We are going to use our $3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. And then we're going to throw in 1 paper coupon in the mix. This is our buy one, get one free from the November P&G. It will take off an additional $3. So that's going to give us a total of $10 in discounts, leaving our out of pocket to pay. Only $2 for 4 Febreze products. So we're going to add these in and grab these for 50 cents each. Now let's grab some floss picks. We're going to get the 75 count Oral-B Complete. So these are $2.25, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon, making these only 25 cents each, which of course is a great price. While I'm here, I'm also going to pick up another Mitchum deodorant. I want to use up as many of these coupons as possible. We still have this $2 off one manufacturer coupon, and these are $3 everyday price, making them only $1 each. I wanted to grab some of these toffee fake candies while I was here, but as you can see, my store is cleaned out, and I can see why. So these are on sale 2 for $1. I didn't even realize they were on sale. So they're 2 for $1, making them only 50 cents each. And we have a $1 off one manufacturer coupon. So these are likely free with 50 cents in overage. And of course, I can't test it, but this may be some free money at Dollar General, y'all. So check this out. So the freezers are pretty loud in this area, so I may have to do a voiceover. Hopefully not. But the next item on my list is going to be these Smithfield products. So I think I'm going to grab the 4 count sausage biscuits here that are $3.95. I have a $2 off printable coupon that's an older coupon, and it's definitely no longer available. But if you have this, these are a great deal. So these are only $1.95 for the 4 count box. I also noticed that they have some breakfast sausage links here for $1.50. So those should be free with this $2 off one coupon if you have it, giving you 50 cents in overage, but I think this is a better buy for me. So these 7 items are everything that I'm grabbing today. Got my 4 Febreze sprays. These are $12 for 4, $3 each. We are going to use our $2 off 12 instant savings, plus our $2 off 12 Febreze digital coupon, plus our $3 off 2 Febreze coupon, and then 1 buy one get one free from the November P&G. They should be 50 cents each. I got my Oral-B floss picks that are $2.25. I'm going to use my $2 off digital. That should be a quarter. Got my Mitchum deodorant. That should be $1 after that $2 insert coupon. And then I got my Smithfield sausage biscuits. Those should be $1.95 after this coupon. So that is all, you guys. Let's go check out. And can you total? I want to make sure my instant savings comes up.
It's 19.20. Well, that's before taxes is 19.20.
Yeah. So that was a nice little trip. So there is all 7 of our items. Got my 4 Febreze, got my Oral-B, got my Mitchum, and the sausage biscuits. Here is my receipt. There is the Febreze all there. The Smithfield there, that coupon scanned fine. The floss picks, that $2 digital did apply. And then my Mitchum total was $5.20 plus tax. So we got a nice little $5 challenge in. 7 items for $5 and a total savings of $16 on those 7 items. So that was a nice little deal, y'all. So if you do have some paper coupons, I think this is something really good to get into. And the Oral-B, I think, is a great deal, just 25 cents for those as well that you can do with the Febreze. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.